In this Drex review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's claiming that you can get viral traffic in 30 seconds flat. I'm going to be showing you what this is and of course what this isn't. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point you want to take a look at Drex, you can go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says unlock the hottest traffic sources for 2022 in one click. The world's first 2-in-1 real app gets you autopilot free viral traffic in 30 seconds. They say here you can get free viral traffic, 200 plus viral templates. They say they have a case study here. Essentially what the software is, it's a bunch of different tools that you can use in order to get traffic in your business. Is it going to get you push button magical money? No, but it does have multiple tools inside of it that you can use in order to get free traffic from. So they say purchase it, you activate it, and then you can enjoy unlimited free traffic. Of course, you can't, it's not like going to magically send you a waterfall of traffic here. Now you can see that they've got, it says beginners are getting free traffic like this. This right here is most likely, these are Warrior Plus screenshots from their account. Now this is, I can't verify this is from the actual app itself. This is most likely from doing email marketing. So if you're going to purchase this, don't purchase it based upon these screenshots. Like this money they made here isn't necessarily from this app here. Again, you should, when you take a look at these sales pages, you should always be thinking to yourself that a lot of times these screenshots have nothing to do with the actual software themselves. So let's just kind of go down here. They've got more money screenshots, but that's nothing again to do with this. This is a bunch of tools, not some magical push button system here. Now, if we go down here to the bottom, I'm not going to go through all this. These sales pages are ridiculous. They've got more like income screenshots here. Just added the first 200 buyers get. Okay, so they're going to give you a $300 a day ClickBank site. I don't know if that is some kind of a bonus. Don't expect you're going to make $300 a day from it. That's not going to happen. And again, these screenshots are from their accounts. So I don't want you guys to think that you're going to be making money like that just because you buy a product like this. It doesn't happen. So when you purchase, you get access to the software, you get access to the tutorials, and this, I'm going to show you this as well here. If you move your mouse away, you can even get a discounted price here. So I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you. Please give me a like if you like the fact that I show you these discounts. Okay, what I'm going to do now is play you a quick video, then I'll be back to show you the back end area, the OTOs, and the discounts. Okay, so this is the backend area you have access to after you purchase. What the software does is it's going to allow you to create these like Instagram Reels. It creates little videos and designs here. You can go in here and it says designs coming soon in this category. So I'm not sure why there aren't designs there. They've got like videos here where you can like search the library for like different things to add in and create little Instagram Reels with this. So it's a little player here. It's not the most like crazy software ever, but it is something that you can use in order to create these little Reels with on Instagram. So it's just a tool. You can do Facebook Reels as well. Now they do have another search thing in here for offers on JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank. They have a link cloaker included inside here as well. They have a Facebook marketing tool here for like commenting, multimedia, call to action posts, carousel videos. They have an Instagram marketing tool in here. It looks like they've got, what is that, for both Instagram and Facebook? If I click that, they have a messenger bot tool here, an email marketing tool, and an SMS marketing tool. Now, I tried to click on the training. As of right now, there's no training. So maybe that will be in there by the time this product goes live, but there's no training in there as of recording this review video. So that's the software in there. Again, it's not like some magical push button thing. It will help you to create assets that you can use on social media in order to do that. And it has multiple tools in it that could be useful for your business. Now there's multiple upgrades. The first one here, it says unlock 1,000 times more free traffic in a single click. Move your mouse away and you can get a discount on that. You can bring the price down $20. Please give me a like if you like the fact that I show you these discounts. And again, I make less as an affiliate, so please hit that like button. Okay, next one here is an autopilot version. Move your mouse away, you can bring the price down to $29. The next one here is an autopilot version. You can bring the price down $200 to $97. Next one here is even more traffic sources. Move your mouse away and bring the price down to $29. Next one is done for you viral templates. Move your mouse away and bring the price down to $29. Another one here is 10,000 buyer leads to your order. I'm not quite sure how that works, but anyways, you can bring the price down to $37 if you move your mouse away. Next one here is you can make more money with, this is live coaching. Move your mouse away and $29. They're gonna send you traffic. You can get that for $67. You get a $130 discount if you move your mouse away. Another one here, you can get this for $67. Another one, you could scale it to $1,000 a minute. That's pretty intense here, but anyways, you can bring the price down to $19. And the last one here, you get 250 of their best products for 19 cents each. You can bring that price down to $19. Now, there's a lot of OTOs in here, so obviously pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Drex and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, obviously the marketing is showing all kinds of fancy screenshots. A software is not going to get you $1 million. Like, it's not going to make you money like that. These are just tools that you could potentially use for your business. They aren't some magic push button. What do I like about this? It's a very low price point. If there are any tools inside of there that would help you out in your business at all, then it could be worth it to purchase this for you. If that's you, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Drex, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.